Assalamu alaikum nursery class. How are you all? I hope you are fine. My name is Mavish. I'm from Voice 5. I'm your English teacher. And today is my third video of English. ठीक है, this is the third video. Okay, now we will start our class. We will sing a poem, ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay जी, now today is my new poem. Early to bed and early to rise means जल्दी सोना चाहिए और जल्दी उठना चाहिए. ठीक है, इसके क्या क्या फ़ायदे हैं? I will start my poem. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Means health भी होती है, wealth भी होती है, wealth भी आती है और हम अक्लमंद और होशियार भी होते हैं. ठीक है, ओके जी. नाउ early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay ji, now first we will revise our previous letter, then we will jump out our new letter. Okay ji, now which letter is this? Capital A. Which letter is this? Capital A. Now which letter is this? Small a. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. And A says A. A says A. A says A. Okay ji, now what's come after A, nursery class? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what's come after A? Yes, B. What's come after A? B. Capital B. And this one is a small b. Understand? Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. And B says B. B says B. B says B. Okay ji, now I will show the pictures. Now nursery class, you will tell me which picture is this? Your favorite toy. This is a car. Which picture is this? This is a car. Which picture is this? This is a car. Okay, my next picture. Now which picture is this? This is a cow. Which picture is this? This is a cow. Which picture is this? This is a cow. Okay ji. Now which picture is this? It's a cat. Which picture is this? It's a cat. Which picture is this? It's a cat. Okay ji. Now nursery class. Which picture is this? It's a birthday candle. क्या है ये? Birthday candle. क्या है ये? Birthday candle. क्या है ये? Birthday candle. Candle. क्या है ये? Candle. Okay जी. Now which picture is this? Carrot. And now nursery class, you will tell me, carrot is a fruit or vegetable? Yes, carrot is a vegetable. Carrot is a vegetable. Carrot is a vegetable. Okay ji. Now nursery class, which picture is this? This is a clock. 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 And look at, I have a clock in my class. Look at, it's a round shape. Look at, this is a clock. Which picture is this? This is a clock. Which picture is this? This is a clock and it's also a round shape. Okay ji. Now nursery class. चले जी, ये तो हो गई क्लॉक की पिक्चर. ओके जी. एंड दीज ऑल द पिक्चर्स आर स्टार्टेड विथ लेटर सी. कैपिटल सी, स्मॉल सी. कैपिटल सी, स्मॉल सी. कैपिटल सी, small c. And C says K. 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 K candle. K candle. K cat. K cat. K cat. Okay ji, one more picture I have, nursery class. K cap. K cap. K cap. Okay ji, this is C. Now nursery class, now open your page. Shabash. Very good. All the students are very good, very nice. Okay ji, now this is your page number 12. Now look at your page number 12. Okay ji, now nursery class, look at in your copy, these are two pictures. Which picture is this? This is a car and cow, and these two pictures are started with letter C, capital C, small c, and C says K. C says K. Now how can you will write capital C or small c, nursery class? Look at your copy. Okay ji, now first you will use 3 lines. Okay, English copy has 4 lines. Count with me, 1 2 3 4. These are 4 lines, but we will use just 3 lines, first 3 lines. Okay, now make a semicircle. Understand, nursery class? Okay ji, now touch first line, go and touch the third line and stop. Okay ji, these full page are depending on dots. ठीक है, ये सारा पेज जो है ये डॉट्स पे बना हुआ है, ट्रेसिंग पे बना हुआ है. आपने जस्ट इसके ऊपर पेंसिल ट्रेस करनी है. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ अगेन यू विल ट्रेस. दिस इज अ कैपिटल सी, एंड कैपिटल सी स्टार्टिंग विद फर्स्ट लाइन. ठीक है, एंड नाउ स्मॉल सी स्टार्ट विद द सेकंड लाइन. सेकंड लाइन पे आपने ऐसा प्यारा सा सेमी सर्कल बना देना है. ठीक है. ओके जी, दिस इज अ कैपिटल सी, स्मॉल सी. नाउ राइट डाउन अगेन dot to dot, stop, and small c start with the line with second line, dot to dot, stop. Now again write down dot to dot, stop, capital C. Now small c, dot to dot, stop. This is the small c. Okay ji, now when you will finish this page, nursery class, so you will use colors. ठीक है, एंड नाउ कलर्स, कार में आप ये वाला कलर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कोई भी कलर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जो आपको पसंद है आप कार में वो कलर यूज़ करें. अंडरस्टैंड नर्सरी क्लास? ओके जी. इसके बाद आपने करने हैं काऊ में कलर. तो दीज आर द कलर्स ऑफ काऊ. ठीक है, आप ऐसे भी कलर बना सकते हैं, आप ब्राउन भी कर सकते हैं, इसको आप ब्लैक इस तरह के शेड्स भी दे सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, और वाइट भी छोड़ सकते हैं. ये तो हो गया आपका आज का काम. ठीक है, ये कॉपी बंद करते हैं. नाउ ओपन योर बुक नर्सरी क्लास. दिस इज योर बुक रीडर, माय फर्स्ट एबीसी फोनिक पिक्चर. नाउ ओपन योर बुक नर्सरी क्लास. शाबाश. वी विल रिवाइज फ्रॉम द लेटर ए. ओके जी, नाउ विच लेटर इज दिस? ए. ए सेज एरोप्लेन, एप्पल, एलिगेटर, एम्बुलेंस, eggs. Go to the next page. Put your finger on B. B says balloons, butterfly, ball, basket, banana. Okay ji, go to the next page nursery class. Put your finger on C. Which letter is this? C. C says cloud, carrot, car, cow, clock. Again I will repeat this page for you. Clouds, carrot, car, cow, clock. Okay ji, nursery class, kindly revise this page again and again. Okay, and now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.